Hey guys, it's Mrs. Reshatar again. How are you? I just want to talk through a couple of the assignments that you had for at-home learning. It seemed like some people had some problems with some of the assignments, and so I wanted to just take a moment to talk through them. And I think from here on out, I will go ahead and just include a video talking you through it. You know, this is my first time through having cohort A and B, and so it's just going to take me a while to get my feet under me, but moving forward, I'll provide a video of just me kind of going through the assignment to help you since you're not in class with me to talk through it. Okay. So today, what I'm going to talk about is the Google Scavenger hunt. That's the assignment that I'm going to talk through today. I think on one of the cohorts, I sent the wrong page out that didn't have the video link. So I'm going to share that one with you. I had originally put links for each of the activities that it was asking you to do, and I accidentally sent out the old one that didn't have the videos attached. So I will send that to you, and maybe that will help you to complete the assignment. So I'm going to switch gears now, I think, and try to go to that document. So bear with me. All right, so I want to present. And what do I want to present? I want to present a tab. And the tab I want to present is the scavenger hunt. All right, let's see what this does. All right, we should be there. So this is the document that you should have received from me. I believe one of the cohorts got one that did not have video links for each of the questions. So each of these, and I'll send it back out for everybody because I can't remember which cohort got the wrong sheet. But you're going to go through. It says to complete the scavenger hunt below, you will need to be curious and resourceful. You will not need to leave this document to complete these tasks. So what it's trying to teach you is that all of the things that this sheet is asking you to do are things that you can do within a Google Doc. The only thing that you would leave for would be to watch the tutorial videos to help you. But those are only there if you need them. You don't have to watch the videos if you know how to do those things just using Google Docs. So what I don't want you to do is go and just do a search on Google. I want you to use the tools within a Google Doc to complete the assignments. And so you're going to go through, read each of the directions, and then if you need to use the tutorial, then you're going to do this. So it says, define the following words using define tool, and then you're going to add the definition. So you're going to typey in here your definition of sentence, and this kind of went wackadoodle. Let's try this again. Okay, so if I go under tools, and then I can find dictionary, and then I can type the word over here, and then it should give me the definition. So that's what I'm asking you to do, is stay within that Google Doc and just use the tools that are provided here. I'm not going to hop up and open another tab and then type in define, whatever word it is. I want to make sure that I'm using all the tools within a Google Doc. So everything in here should walk you through. You're just following the directions. And the most important one here is how to create a hyperlink, because we are going to use that a ton to turn in our assignments. So if it looks down here, create a hyperlink of this completed assignment on the homework slideshow. So that's how we're going to be turning our homework in each week for our on at-home learning. Okay. If you have questions over this assignment or you need any particular help with anything, then just make sure that you are reaching out to me, because I don't know what I don't know. So feel free to shoot me an email and ask for some clarification. I hope these videos will help. And in the future, then it'll be linked right in with the assignment. Okay, so have a good day, and I will be on to the next tutorial. All right, ciao, ciao.